What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reika Yanique for those who are new, and as you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing a first impressions slash unboxing of the Canon 90D camera. And yeah, if you are on the market for a new DSLR camera, or maybe you're thinking about gifting it to someone, then you definitely want to stick around and watch this video. This is gonna be my first DSLR camera, but I've been thinking long and hard about, upping my photography game and stepping into the whole DSLR world. Currently I do have the Canon G7X Mark II, which I'm currently filming on, and I do use that for not only my videos but to take pictures as well, and I also use my phone. But there really is only so much that you're able to achieve on your smartphone and also on this camera. And seeing that I'm really into photography, I thought it would be good to step my game up a bit and explore getting a DSLR camera. So with that being said, I have been on the market for a very long time, and I've done a lot of research. I've been saving up my coins, done all the research, and so basically 3 core things guided this purchase, which was the price, specs, and the experience level for the user. The Canon 90D, it's any DSLR, like first and foremost, any DSLR that you're looking into getting does cost a pretty penny. So it's not something, if you're not really genuinely into photography, that you would just get up and go and buy. But as it relates to price, this was one of the more cost-effective options, retailing at $11.99, which, yes, it's a big price tag, but compared to the other prices I was seeing, I feel like this was a fair price for someone starting out, especially for my experience level where I'm starting out, and just the use and value that I do intend to get from the camera. The specs as well was also a big selling point for me. I think I'm going to go ahead and have the specs somewhere on the screen or in the next clip. I don't really know them off my head, but I was really impressed by the specs, and based on the reviews that I read, they said this was ideal for somebody kind of intermediary starting out as it relates to the camera. So that's how I arrived at this purchase. I got this from Amazon, and of course I will leave a link to the exact seller that I went through to get this camera. I was definitely nervous to drop so much money online at Amazon. I've never really spent that much money on Amazon before, and sometimes things can be kind of sketch on there, but they were very good about the whole process and kind of putting your mind at ease. You had to sign for this package. They sent you a passcode that you had to give to the delivery person before you could sign. So it was very, yeah, this is basically the package. This is the box that it came in, and yeah, we're gonna open it together and see what is inside. This is only for the price I mentioned earlier. This is only for the body. So yeah, let's take a look at what's inside. As you do get like your warranty type thing, instruction manual. Who's gonna read that? I'm gonna read it, of course. But like some people just chuck the instruction manual. Yeah, I definitely plan to read that. You get this looks to be your charger, your battery charger, which is pretty standard with the Canon line. There is also a strap for your camera. We have the battery and I think right below this little thing here, let's get this out the way, we have the camera. So it's pretty secure in here. I'm just gonna like go ahead and remove everything. And so yeah, this is basically what it looks like. I think I'm gonna do my thumbnail. This is basically the camera, and like I mentioned, this is just the body, and of course the lens would go in here. So it does have a slot for you to add a mic if you like, which is one of the downsides of the camera I'm using to film on now, the Canon G7X. It doesn't have a port for a mic, whereas this one does. So I definitely like that. I think that will improve the overall, you know, quality of videos if I decide to use this to film videos. And of course there's a port for HDMI. I think this has built-in flash as well. I really need to sit down and like go through the manual with a fine-tooth comb, but first impressions, I'm very, you know, pleased with the size of it. I like how it feels in my hand. For the life of me though, I am not really sure how to add this little thing, but I definitely want to get this on there. So I did end up grabbing a lens from Amazon as well. It's the Sigma 18-35mm lens, and I saw nothing but amazing reviews on this lens paired with the Canon 90D. It's not really so much so the camera that you have as it is the lens. It's all in the lens, and I saw nothing but amazing reviews on this lens, so I decided to grab this lens, and it was in a bundle. I purchased a bundle from Amazon that came with a lot of, you know, accessories that I think will be very handy for me, especially if I'm traveling or if I'm, you know, shooting on location or anything like that. I think it will come in very handy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox the Sigma lens, and I'll show you the other knickknacks that came in the bundle as well. This lens, this lens, I believe at the time of purchase it was on sale. I don't remember exactly how much I paid, but I think I got it at a discounted price. But I'll leave a link, like I mentioned, to the exact seller that I use, just for peace of mind, because sometimes things can be kind of sketch on Amazon. So yeah, I'll leave a link to the seller that I use. So yep, first thing out the box here is the Sigma warranty, and I definitely holding on to all of these warranty things because you want to register everything. You have your instructions, manual, warranty sticker, which is cool, and then the lens is packed in this little pouch or bag. So I'm just gonna slip that out. Yeah, so I like this little carrying bag that it comes in. I wish the Canon came in a little carrying bag as well, but we'll figure something out. So yeah, this is the lens, and yeah, this feels like a weight. This feels like I could curl this. This is like really heavy. So this is the lens, you know, straight out of the box. It has a lens cap. So this says a USB dock, so that came in the Sigma bundle as well. So let's just go ahead and see what exactly they're talking about. Let's like pop that open. We have more warranties. So yeah, this is, I guess, the USB dock for the lens, and you do get a charging cable as well. Yeah, I really need to read the manual so I know exactly what I'm talking about. But yeah, this is also included in the bundle. Also got these, they say earbags. Let's get these out. Alright, so I think this is the actual camera bag. The fabric is not really much to talk about, feels pretty flimsy, but then it also has this kind of interior piece. What in the world is this? Okay, I think I know what's going on here. So I said like the bag is like really flimsy. Nothing not really going on with this bag here. But what I imagine you're supposed to do is to kind of use this thing here to kind of fill out the bag and give it a bit more shape, I guess, shape, definition, whatever. But I think I get the gist of it. Kind of fill out the shape of this bag, and then there's this other thing, this other pouch. Let's take a look at what's inside here. They're like, it's like a hard case, which I like. Ooh. So in here are, you know, more little knickknacks and accessories. So yeah, this little kit here is to basically clean your lens. So I have one of these already for like my Canon, but this one is, you know, obviously a lot bigger. Wrist strap, super handy. This looks to me to be, what is this? Yeah, I need to go back and look at what's in this bundle, but this looks like I can mount a mounting device. So it looks like I can mount the camera to this and kind of hold it this way or this way, I guess. Yeah, definitely need to go back and look at the bundle and see what exactly I'm supposed to do with this. But yeah, I like the little pouch that it's in. I like these little microfiber rags that I can use to clean off my lenses. But overall, I'm very pleased with the bundle. Very excited about the camera. I'm gonna play around with it like tonight into tomorrow, so I might add a little clip towards the end of the video just to let you guys know what my thoughts are after actually using the device. But so far, first impressions out the box, definitely I'm pleased with, you know, the seller and how it was delivered and just the look and feel of the product so far. I feel like it's money well spent. I think I'm gonna close out the video right here if I don't get to add like another clip. But if you did enjoy this video, please do give me a thumbs up, and if it's your first time here and you made it to the end, hit that subscribe button. I would definitely appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time, bye.